Okay guys, welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. Today we're gonna make shrimp broth, aka shrimp soup. So here I got my shrimp right here. I got my pumpkin, got my thyme, my turnip, also got my chocho, 2 carrots, garlic, okra, Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper, ginger. Here my fish chicken noodle, I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use a soup it up chicken noodle, and I'm gonna use an onion also guys. So we're gonna chop all those vegetables first. We're gonna add the shrimp last because the shrimp easy to cook. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook all these vegetables first and then add the shrimp and the okra later on. So let's get right into it. I'm cutting up, so I'm adding out 1 banana to it. Guys, trying to make it with a vegetable. So what I'm doing, I'm cutting up everything right now at this moment. You know, this is a pumpkin. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna put all these vegetables in the pot right now. This is a pumpkin I'm cutting up right now. Right, so you're gonna cut up the pumpkin like this. Make sure the pumpkin is very small, so it can cook out in the soup. So here's a carrot. So what I do, I cook the carrot like this. And these are the chocho right here. Give it a split. Put it like that guys. What we're basically doing, we get everything in one bowl. This is the onion. This is a turnip. Stop it, this is a turnip, you see? I'm cutting the turnip as well. Easy. This is a ginger. All I'm gonna do is crush the ginger like that. This is garlic. All I'm doing is crushing the garlic. And this is the scallion. I'm gonna crush the scallion. Chop it like that. That's everything right here guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in the pot first to cook. Then we're gonna put the shrimp later and the okra later on. Now I'm gonna put a piece of thyme as well to let everything cook together as well. So what I'm doing, I'm putting all the vegetable in. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, let the vegetable cook, and then when the vegetable finish cooking, then I add the shrimp later on. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the noodle in. One. I'm gonna put the next one. I'm using two noodles guys. There's a big tragedy outside, a loose current. The storm here is killing us guys. I'm gonna stir that too. Then after 10 minutes, and I'm gonna put the shrimp in. Yes guys, I'm gonna also season the shrimp with some onion powder. I'm also gonna use some garlic powder just to give the shrimp some taste guys. That's it guys, look at that, looking lovely. I just put the shrimp in, so I'm gonna let it cook for another 10 minutes, then I turn it off. That's it. Looking lovely guys, look at that. Looking lovely, look at that guys. Yes guys, look at the finishing product. Looking lovely guys. Please remember to touch that like button. Like, share, subscribe guys. If you have been a disaster, please support my channel. Thank you very much. Peace out. Subscribe for a lot more. Shrimp soup, shrimp broth. Looking lovely.